So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And here is a very good news regarding the Microsoft Student Ambassador program that the selection emails are now out. If you have completed the particular target which we had, for example, for Skiller Path we had 1000 modules completed and Influencer Path 250 net visitors, including this one of the certification or applied skills. Currently, a lot of you faced one issue that you were unable to claim the Azure free credits or Azure free accounts, and the second thing, or GitHub Developer Pack, they have waived this condition only completing 1000 modules or 250 visitors and one of these particular skills, means certification or applied skills, within 15 minutes prior to onboarding. If you have completed, then you are eligible for this particular opportunity. Mails are being rolled out. It will be rolled out completely in 1 or 2 days for sure, and you'll be getting your ID and password too. Coming over here to the second query, can you still participate in this opportunity? In case you haven't applied, yes, you can apply, because currently July selection is working. Now you'll be having time for October cohort, so apply now. In case you were unable to reach this particular target, 1000 or 250 visitors, okay, then also you can apply your previous. Suppose you have had 50 modules completed or 50 visitors completed, then all those previous visitors and modules completed will be added, means it will be carried forward till the next cohort until you are selected. You don't have to reapply, refill the form again and again. In case you made a mistake, you can delete that data and fill it again. So this was a very important update I wanted to share. If you need a complete guide how we have to complete, how we have to just create your personalized URL and share with people, for that I have created a complete playlist. I've covered in Hindi and English. From there you can watch it too. So this is the main update I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.